Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. I have another gist for you. Guess who it is? Guess who is in the news? Who it is? Who else could it be? If not, your one and only Idamu Adugbo Portable. Portable is in the news. Portable has gone to see the Ooni of Ife Obadewuse in his palace in Ile-Ife town. And you need to see this guy, the way he was just relating and flowing with the king. And you know now, as a king, and the king also did not even disappoint me. And you need to watch this video because it was just flowing with the guy's slangs and vibes. The guy is just full of life. And you know what? I think this guy is supposed to be a comedian because anything he says is very funny. You need to watch this video. When you watch it, you really understand what I'm talking about. So, live and direct, Zazu ze, otuti ze, iya ze in Ile-Ife town with Oba Adewuse. So he was there live to say hello to the king there, to pay obeisance.
Kò padà tà. Bọ̀ tó bá padà tà kí ló máa ò ní lò Ẹ̀bọ̀ tó bá fẹ́ ṣe iṣẹ́ ẹrù tó bá tán dátà ò lè rí nǹkan tó ṣe.
Yes, ó ti wà kárí yẹn.
Ó ti wà kárí.
Padà tà. Bí ó bá ti padà tà kò sí ọkọ mọ́. Kò sí kọ́ máa lọ rí ipò ẹ̀.
Kọ́ máa lọ rí ipẹ̀, ta ló rí ipẹ̀?
Sápamọ́ kọ́ máa lọ rí ẹ̀tọ́ is better than
finish. Ó ṣe wà pẹ̀lú Bado.
Yes, Bado na bàbá. Bado kò séèyàn bí Bado. Alámìdé àwọn ọlọ́bílẹ̀sì mi débi tí mo dé.
Ọlọ́run náà ti ràn ọ́ náà lọ́wọ́.
Wọ́n máa ń fún mi lówó, wọ́n máa ń fún mi ní gbogbo nǹkan.
Kí wọ́n náà dẹ̀ máa ṣe dáadáa sí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn. Mo ti gbọ́. Torí mo rí gbọ́dọ̀ pé inú ẹ mọ́.